Hi, this is Chad Barr, and this is the Digital Empire Creation Moment. And today I'm going to talk to you, how do we monetize what we have on the website? How do we drive people to come to us, but actually, hopefully, to engage them in doing business with us? 3 ways, and I would like you to take a look at the process visual that is actually included right in this video. Number 1, you've got to strengthen your brand. Is the association of your name, your company name, the products that you have created brings a physical, emotional sensation to your target audience, but they say, this is the person I want to do business with. So the brand has to strengthen over time. In future segments, I'm going to dive much deeper into exploring and discussing the brand. Number 2 is your offerings. And what I mean by offerings, it's your products, your services, your content that you're creating that will intrigue people to come to you, find you interesting to listen to read, to watch. And then the ultimate is for them to say, this is the person I want to do business with. This is the person who can help me resolve my challenges. As the brand strengthens over time, as your offerings of products, services, and content grows over time, that's when the magic happens. That's when revenues starts to increase significantly and dramatically. So what should you do? Very simple. Keep strengthening your brand. Keep adding to the variety of products, services, and offering that you have to offer, and you'll see the remarkable revenues start to increase dramatically. I'm Chad Barr, and thanks for watching.